Hey, beautiful people, welcome back again to Clara's Corner. And once again, welcome back to 2025. Yes, guys, in this 2025, we are going to be bringing out videos back to back to back. So stick around, make sure your notification bell is on so that you'll be notified anytime any video is being put up. So guys, in today's video, this particular cold pressed coconut oil you are seeing right here, I'm going to show you how you can achieve your cold pressed coconut oil very easy at home. Sit back, relax, and watch how the process is being done. And make sure to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step along the way. This is how it will keep coming out until everything is extracted. So here the oil has completely extracted. You can see the oil goes up while the remaining thick cord goes down. The oil has separated from the thick cord. So this is where you will separate your oil from whatever thing remaining down below. So here is the oil up while the other ones down. So either you put into the freezer to thicken the oil for your easy separation, or you can easily pour it out and allow to sieve more while the oil gets clearer. For me here, I'm just going to pour the oil out and allow it to sieve on its own for the oil to get more clearer. I will be extracting more oil from this particular cord here with hot process to not allow any of my oil waste. So I'm going to use hot process to extract more oil from this particular cord. So here is our cold pressed coconut oil, very easy to make. I'm going to still keep it to get more clearer so that everything will be very clean. Here guys, this is our cold pressed coconut oil. This is how it's going to look when you put it back into the freezer or fridge. It becomes so thick and white in color. This is your pure virgin cold pressed coconut oil. No artificial additives, no preservative, 100% pure. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share this video to whoever needs it, and share your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.